Can I tell you both a secret? It's a little embarrassing.
Sure, go ahead.
I mean, it could be embarrassing or might sound ambitious, but since I have always been a glass half full kind of guy, I decided to push through with this idea.
God, Jonathan, just spare us the suspense, okay?
Okay. So, did you see Brian James's victory yesterday at the Olympics? The dude was running faster than a sports car. I mean, not literally, but man, I just couldn't stop myself from replaying his greatness. I mean, I run while doing HIIT and always end up puking if I go over an hour. This guy ran a marathon and still looked like $1,000,000 while ending up on top.
Okay. Where are you getting at with this?
What I'm telling you guys is that you might just maybe see Jonathan Williams on your TV sets in the next Olympics.
Wow. No way. This is great news, Jonathan. I'm so with you on this. You are fit and athletic, and you are crazy passionate in every project you choose. If anyone can do it, it's you.
Oh, thanks. Means a lot coming from you, Ella. Okay, what does that mean?
Well, I don't mean to be a downer, but Jonathan, you just said you puke after cardio. Even I don't do that, and I don't consider myself athletic. Sorry, that didn't come out right. Look, I mean, you are my friend, and the last thing I would want from you is to chase a virtually unattainable dream. I have to remind you again, you are a father of 2 and pushing 40. This is not the age when athletes start their careers.
Oh, come on, Clara. Who are we to say anything? When was the last time Jonathan did something interesting? Oh, sorry. I didn't mean it like that either. Jonathan, what I'm trying to say is, this is good. Yeah, this is good for you. It will be a new adventure, and it will take you places.
Don't worry. I'm not easily offended, and while you guys are best friends and I care about what you say, I didn't need any approval here. I'm already good to go. Training starts tomorrow.